How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2014 Infiniti QX80 5.6 V8. Just serviced it, 89,000 miles only on it. Drives really good, like new. Michelin tires all the way around. You can see this is mint inside, outside. It's in great condition. It's got the theater package, so it has the TVs inside, third row, split bench seat in the rear, in the second row. It is loaded up, sunroof, leather, nav, backup camera, heated seats. You can see here the interior is in great shape. Has the TVs in the headrest. Nice third row back there. Rear climate control, rear heated seats. Car's in great shape inside and out. We'll go ahead and give her a start up. If there's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any repair needs, you have an Infiniti, Lexus, Acura, Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, Lincoln, Cadillac, definitely give us a shout. Thanks for checking out the video.